Akhil and welcome to Hello World Programming. Since you are watching this video, that means you want to learn Python. So the very first step of learning Python is to learn how to install the Python interpreter. As I have taken the word interpreter, I will explain what is an interpreter now. So interpreter directly executes instructions written in a programming or scripting language without converting them to a machine code. So if you take C or Java, first we convert the code into a machine language which is in zeros and ones. That is called as compilation, and that's why we call them using compiler. And once the compilation is done, then we'll run the code to execute the output. Now moving to installation. First go to the browser. So you can choose any browser you want and then type Python. And once we search Python, we'll get the website called python.org and click on it. And then we will redirect it to this page. And on this page, click on downloads. And as soon as we click on downloads, we can see download for Windows over here. Since I'm using Windows, I'll get the latest version for the Windows. But if you are using Mac or Ubuntu, the process is a little bit different. And once I click on this, it will ask me to save the software. And once I click on the save, the software gets downloaded. Now I will move to the folder and then double tap on it or open that. Now I will click on install now. So when I click on install now, the system automatically configures itself and the software automatically configures according to the system. And then the installation process starts. So it's going to take a bit of time. So once the installation is done, we'll get something like this and click on the close. Now to check it whether it's installed, so click on the start button and then type Python. And when you type Python, you can see Python and the version number over here. Since I have downloaded the latest version, which is 3.11, and it might change in future. And I click on open. Now the Python interpreter is open, where I can see the details of the system of the Python software. So to check it if it is working, I'll just write a small code. So here I just wrote one line of code and I'm clicking enter and the code is executed as which I have written. So yeah. So if you have any issues, please ping me in the comments and I may take the next video on that. And thanks for watching the video. please like, share and subscribe to Hello World.